do we maintain our focus amidst a world of constant distractions? I want to tell you all about ways to eliminate distractions, regain your focus, create possibility. I explore strategies to rethink business and life, to regain our focus when we've been thrown off track by the world. When we cut through distractions, we create space to have incredible breakthroughs. Why do we allow things that steal our focus to become more important than the things that deserve our focus, like teamwork and connection? Think like a juggler for a minute. Imagine you're juggling 2 beanbags and a knife. Where's your focus going to be? I hope it's going to be on the knife. Keeping our eyes on that knife, that most mission-critical task, inspires us to resist the allure of distraction. Imagine impossibility. Imagine something that can't be done. That's what I'm here to do, is show you what can be done.
There's a lot of memorable keynote speeches that I've heard in my life, but this is one for sure I'll never forget.
Start where you are, right here and now, because success doesn't wait for the perfect moment. You can be the spark and flame all in one. When we work together as an effective team, when we know that what we do and our contribution to it matters, productivity goes through the roof. This is like high-octane fuel for teamwork. I've met with and listened to people all over the world, dozens of countries and hundreds of cities. I've been listening to learn what we value most. What each of us really wants most is to be a valuable contributor to something meaningful. How we treat one another has a direct impact on the success of a world-class team. It's up to you to see people as allies, not adversaries. Other organizations, your competitors, have reclaimed the moment and have seen transformation and powerful change in collaboration and enhanced problem solving. The ways we're pulled off track don't just undercut our productivity and efficiency, they're undermining our sense of self. And that makes us less able to be part of a powerful team. If we want to prevent burnout, enhance teamwork, and build a better now, we need to create space for those possibilities, and we need to put time and energy into making sure our people, the people around us, matter. Let's silence the no in our minds that all too often precedes giving ourselves the possibility of a yes. This is how we embrace the possibility of success and be part of a life and workplace that are meaningful and profitable in more ways than just financially. When change comes around, if you've got your focus and you're facing change, there's opportunity everywhere. There is a room full of people who are able and willing and talented and experienced. They've got your back, just like you've got everybody else's back in this room. I've seen transformation happen time and time again. I've seen it happen in my own life, I've seen it in the clients I work for, and I know that I'm going to see transformation happen with you. Let's make this happen. Let's build a better now.